Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and thanks for watching. Today's video is a Toyota Camry. Take a look at this dent the customer did not want to get done, but they want to get this one done right here on the deck lid. This dent is insane. It's very sharp on that body line. I mean, look how sharp that is. It's just nasty. It's scary dent. It actually has some cracked paint in it already. Notified the customer of that. But here it is once we remove the interior trim panel. And basically we need that to get access to the dent. And you got tons of access, which is almost a good thing, kind of a bad thing, depending on what kind of tools you have. So make sure you have the right tools to do the job. What I used was R4 cherry tip and lots of heat. And all I did essentially was heat the panel up as much as I could and then just pushed and pushed and pushed the center of the dent. And this is what it looks like after an initial push. Obviously it's chewed up, but I did notify the customer that it's a silver metallic and the paint will be distorted just because of the metallics in it. It's just so sharp it's going to distort those metallics. So I knew right away, no matter what I did, the damage area would not be perfect. Even if I got the dent completely flat, it's still going to be distortion in that silver metallic. But after working it back and forth, hammering and dollying, pushing from underneath, and working the crowns and tapping down all the high spots, you can see a little tiny pits in there I need to push up. This dent was very difficult. Very difficult. Look at that giant dent. But here it is afterwards. It came out, I'd say 70%. And the customer was like, well, whatever, the dent's gone. I'm happy. You told me it was going to be like that. So here's your check. Have a nice day. And that's what I like to hear. Have a nice day. Guys, thanks for watching. As always, have a nice day.